Hi guys and girls, once again, thumbs up from me as usual. I thank God for the grace. God bless you all. Hope I found you all well. Welcome to my channel, The Real Love Festival Survival. Today I'm going to be doing a short little sweet video on a little miniature spice kit. I got this idea from a good friend of mine over in the States. Go out and check his channel. I'll put a little link below. His name is his channel name is Central Oregon Survival Network. Go and check out his channel. He's got some very good ideas, and I thank him for this idea. And okay, without further ado, we've got your salt, your pepper, your paprika, your cinnamon, your oregano, your mint. Okay, I got these vials from eBay. I think you get about 15 or 20 of these for about £2, and they're fantastic. Okay, let me just quickly show you. It's got a little top there. Oh, that's quite tight. There you go. It's good to be tight because then it's water sealed. As you close it, it just makes a little clip. Lovely jubbly. Right guys, so as I was saying, what I'll do, you get a little baggie and you start putting all your little spices that are quite sealed already. You don't want to get all your spices wet unless it's in your food. You get your pepper, obviously you get your salt, your pepper. Right guys, your paprika, you get your cinnamon. You get your oregano. Oregano is fantastic on loads of different things. Oregano. You get your mint. You whack that in there as well. A nice little package now. Thought it was a fantastic idea when I saw it. Lightweight. Very convenient. It's always good to have other spices other than just salt and pepper. Put it into a nice little baggie. You get your little survival tin. You whack it in there. And there you have a little miniature spice kit, which I thought was a fantastic idea. Thanks to my good friend over there at Central Oregon Survival Network. Like I said, I'll put links below. Alright, and it's always good, guys. What you can do, what I'll do now is I'll take everything back out again. Just whack it over there for you. Okay, guys. Take out your spices again. Very important, guys and girls. You don't want bland food. I mean, if you catch something, fish, it's always good to have your little spice kit. And I've been sort of following on the food theme with the stoves, the pots and pans, stuff like that. So this is basically continuing with that same kind of theme. Right, guys, and you put your baggie down there. Now, let me just move everything closer together. I thought this was a fantastic little idea. And like I said, I got it from Central Oregon Survival Network. Actually, what I'll do is I'll put them all back like that, a little touch. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. Like I said, this is the Real Love Festival Survival channel. And I hope you like, subscribe and share if you like. Have a fantastic day, guys and girls. Just a short little sweet video on my little spice kit. And if you're wondering who that's singing, that's Al Green. Anyway guys, God bless you, take care out there, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Take care from me, thumbs up, God bless.